Welcome to our ultimate guide on fixing Valorant lag. Today, we'll explore how lag can impact your gameplay and what steps you can take to eliminate it. First, let's discuss the internet connection requirements for Valorant. A stable connection is crucial for an enjoyable experience. Next, checking your ping and network latency can provide insights into the lag issues you are facing. Let's dive into optimizing your graphics settings to reduce lag. Adjusting these can greatly enhance your gameplay. Keeping your drivers and system software up to date can significantly improve performance and reduce lag. Did you know that using an Ethernet connection can provide more stability than Wi-Fi? Let's explore the differences. Enabling gaming mode on your PC and router can prioritize gaming traffic for a smoother experience. Make sure to adjust your firewall and antivirus settings to allow Valorant to function without interruptions. Monitoring background applications can help identify what's consuming your system resources and causing lag. In conclusion, by implementing these techniques, you can effectively reduce and fix lag in Valorant, making your gameplay much more enjoyable. Thanks for watching.